Good morning. In this video, we're going to show you how to access the TV monitors at the Hill and to connect your computer or whatever device you have, be able to project from there. So first thing is we need to get these TVs turned on. We have remotes, and usually keep them places like just right here, maybe in the windowsill. But if they're not there, there's probably located in a drawer on the other side of that cabinet, that top drawer, or on top of the shelf there somewhere. So the first thing is you're going to have to decide whether you're going to connect via HDMI, which looks like this. And many computers have a connection for HDMI, and you can go directly into our system. It's set up to do either HDMI through here, and you'll notice this switcher. If you push this button, it changes from Apple TV and back and forth to HDMI. If you're plugging your computer in directly via HDMI, the switch needs to be on 2 down here. If you are going to do wirelessly through an Apple device, it must be on 1 so that the signal is going to the TVs from the proper device. All right, so please do not alter any of this. If you do, it will cause us problems later on when we try to, or another group tries to set up and use this video. They won't know how to get it back to how you changed it. And if we don't know it's been changed, we won't know to switch it back ourselves. So we would appreciate you. If you have any problems, you can reach out to us and we will try to make the adjustments for you. Now, there are also lots of different adapters for HDMI that you can attach to that cable that will fit your computer or your iPad or whatever. So first thing is, once you got the TVs on, using the remote, you can either connect directly with the HDMI, or in my case, I'm going to switch this to Apple TV. And let's see if we can get this to connect. I'm going to select screen mirroring and library. And so what it's going to show is my screen right here. And so I'm going to touch that screen so that it's a little clearer for you. And it should show up in all the screens as well as the speaker monitor in the back of the room. Now, that's through an Apple device. If you don't have an Apple device, my recommendation is that you not try to do that. Since it's set up that way for with the Apple TV. So what we want to do, if you don't have an Apple device, a MacBook or MacBook Pro or some type of Apple computer or iPad or iPhone, then I would recommend plugging in directly through this cable, the HDMI cable. Computers, your iPad, maybe a little different than your computer interface. So first thing to make sure is that you are on the proper Wi-Fi. You will see probably 3 different Wi-Fis here. The Hill with a space, the Hill with no space, and Mana Office. The one that's locked is the one that the TVs and Apple TV function on. So it is the Hill with a space between the and the Hill. So now the password for that is all lowercase, Hardin 989. Hardin, Hardin 989. Now you don't want everybody in your group using that, because it's going to crowd up your connection to your devices. So I would recommend, if other people need to use Wi-Fi, that you suggest The Hill. It's got a good strong signal, and there's no password required there. All right. So once we make sure we're on that Wi-Fi, and then we're going to go over here to this little symbol. It looks like a TV with an arrow, and pick library. Yours may say AirPlay. Yours may say other various things. And now you can see my dirty screen, but all right, so this is showing up here, and now it's showing up here on the screen. And so we've got everything showing on all of our screens, and the monitor in the back. So that's what you want. Now, you may have different configurations on your laptop, and so you may have to make some changes there. But the changes don't need to be made in the TV settings, because they are supposed to be set on HDMI 1 and receiving their signal from this splitter and this little box right here. So please don't make any adjustments to that. Make your adjustments to your computer or your device, and not ours. That causes us problems, and we appreciate you contacting us if there's something that we need to make adjustments on. If you don't have access to adapters to fit HDMI into your computer, you might let us know. We might be able to help you out with an adapter to fit that. So if you have any questions or problems with the system, please give us a call at 270-293-1223.